I drove 30 hours. I've been here for 2 hours. Our first ride, I had like a 4-hour nap, if that. I got the homie Kelvin's bike. I got the homie Bart and his R6. You guys know him from my birthday and 2 other years we've done this. And we're going to take the first selfie. Oh my god. So guys, I'm going to make a whole explanation why I have this, why I'm down here. I shouldn't be down here, got other responsibilities, but all that's coming. So many questions on the gram, but here I am. Oh yeah, we're at an Airbnb, by the way. We're staying here. Cool. Let's do our first ride, bud. Hey, 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 hey. Have you seen one of these in person? Yeah. An IS300 hatch? Wagon. I thought they're only down here. Did they exist in Canada? No, they don't have them. I thought so. I knew they... Left here, bud? Let me indicate, because I'm a good... Oh, we're going to fix that, bud. Look at this, Kelvin. Your bike is in disrepair. Well, this guy's coming in hot. Black, in case you didn't know, black. Yeah, I'm gonna be just fine with this bike. Let's turn left somewhere to get back to the correct way. Oh my god, I've not ridden it in forever! Oh my god. Let's go left here, buddy. Let's see, Fulton. I don't know any of these names. Oh man, I gotta calm down because I'm gonna get myself in trouble. I need to be a good, stoke. I do. I'm so pumped right now. Okay, you won't go. I'm gonna go. Whoa! Don't do that, buddy. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so good to be back. Man, I miss me some SoCal, buddy. Oh my goodness. Kelvin, you sure you want me to drive your bike, buddy? I mean, go ahead and just chill the F out. So, there's another bike up there. Let's go play with them. Do I look legit in my jacket though? With my pants over my boots. Yeah, does it suit the yellow bike? My banana crew is hilarious. We'll do a dual record. I'll get him on the record next video so we can talk more with the homie Bart. Oh, we got some more yammies here. Is there traction on this thing? Oh yeah, I gotta move this out a little bit. Gotta move this out a touch. Got those Asian fingers on here. Oh, we got a car alarm! You hear that? Oh dude, my butt hurts already. I drove 30 hours and my butt didn't hurt. My butt hurts within 10. I've not ridden a bike in that long. My first split. First split complete. This thing sounds dope. I wouldn't have it this loud for where I live because I'll get in so much shit. Hey man, is the 101 freeway around here? Right up here?
101 is go down there and then make a right in the freeway. You're running parallel to the 101.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's up to the right. So we're going the right way. Oh, right. Bam! What a nice gentleman. Actually, the chick answered first. She just pointed. Probably should have put my visor down. What would you have done without me? You would probably not get a ticket. Oh dude, that's like I'm home. I know where I am. Welcome back, boys and girls. We're cruising the interesting streets of LA, you know? Bad drivers, man. Driving my car down here, oh my good God. They have a rule for trailers. You can only go 55. Everyone else can go 70. That's a 15-mile-an-hour difference. If you do 10 over, that's 25-mile-an-hour difference. They just come shooting by you. So I had to kind of forget the rule because I thought I was gonna die, man. Honest to God. So I completely just left that rule back with the signs. And here we are. Got the homie Bart with me. He's the one that made me come down. There he is. You guys remember him from Hyper Motard days. We actually met because of the Hyper Motards. He rented one. I had one at the time. And he messaged me saying, hey, you're a Canadian, come ride. And then we've hung out ever since. Last year I had my KTM and he had a R1S, the red one in some of my videos and photos. And then this year he came down again. I couldn't really afford it. I got some stuff going on back home. He's like, man, just come stay with me. I got the Airbnb. So then why I'm on my buddy's bike, not mine, because the front forks failed on my bike. The too many wheelies and it's got so many Ks and track days. So I'm like, fine, I'll fix that. And then last minute, the rear shock just went boom over my floor. I'm like, oh my God. So then Calvin's like, just take my bike, man. I don't want you to not go. So he let me borrow his bike, and here I am, man. Thanks to two of my really good friends, here I am riding in LA again, so I really can't complain. Let's go Highland Ave. Yep, because we'll take the long way out to the coast, the really fun way. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm down here. We got 2 weeks, so we're gonna do a meetup. We're gonna try and post as much as I can when I'm out here. I brought my laptop, and welcome back to the long-loved and long-lost California videos. Everyone seems to love these on my yeah, bam, dab on them. You know what? Everyone loved those videos on my channel, so I can't wait to start making them, honestly. So we're gonna go check out the coast, get some in and out. We'll be back in a sec. Stop line's right here, a BMW right there. I love it. Here, do you want to make up our own stop line? I'll take this imaginary crack as my stop line. Where do you want? You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your line? Nice. This thing has way more balls than it does back home. I tell you that much, man. Every bike does. Yeah, you get more air, and more air means more boom, right? Oh man, lane splitting is just like a second nature to me. I just can't. Like a clip. Yeah, I just can't help it, man. Should I touch this guy's hand on the way by? he was not having any of that. Watch out for cars jetting out at you. They will sneak in here. You mean Holly Weird? Ooh, this is all tight for these unknown bars. This guy's like in like the middle of his lane. Thank you. Love you. Man, I gotta be careful because I'm not used to this bike just yet. Because all my a little too wide, a little too wide. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I wonder if they can hear me. See, now I just go under both of them. Whoa, yeah. Like a professional. Your bike is way easier than mine, hey? Yeah, man. It's like you're like a svelte. You're like a little like pencil, and I'm like this. I'm rolling my boat out here. Nice, and lane split in action. Oh, so many bikes out. Dude, we gotta go to that bowling place over there. Remember? Yeah. I want to make sure I kick your butt.